An important element of your asbestos survey report is the floor plans. Now you can upload floor plans from whatever software you currently create them in, whether that's Floor Plan Creator or Visio or something along those lines. You can import floor plans as either a PDF document or individual images. The way you do this is from the dashboard. You can see here I've got the dashboard open and I'm currently within an asbestos survey report. If I scroll down to almost the bottom here, you can see we've got this attachment section. Let's open this up. Now currently we don't have any attachments. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add the floor plans from just the images, and then I'm going to show you how you can do this from a PDF instead. So let's add a new item. I'm going to select floor plans as the type. Give this floor plan a name. I would suggest doing something along these lines. I've kept the level part at the beginning just to help with the ordering. Now I don't need to do a rough sketch, but that is there in case you want to do a sketch on site and then draw the plan up later when you're back at the office. Instead, I'm going to use the final image. This is what actually appears on the report. Let's go ahead and I'm going to select this one here. I'm going to say it's A4 portrait and hit save. You can see there's our first image added. I'm going to add another one for the first floor. So this time I'll say level 1, first floor. I'm going to put in this one here. I'm going to say A4 portrait and hit save again. So now we've got our two floor plan images added. I'm going to actually take a little look at this report and we'll see they should appear now in the appendix. So I'm just going to quickly jump to this index page so we can jump again to the floor plans. And there we go. There's our first one, which was added by an image, and there's our second one, which has been embedded within the report. If you download the report, then the top right will show the title that we've given it, which was level 0 ground floor, level 1 first floor. So that was how to add the floor plans using just the image files. What if you've got a PDF instead? Well, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to delete these ones that we had, which were created using the images, and then we'll add the same things just from a PDF that I've got instead. So I'm going to tap import PDF. Now browse to where the PDF actually is. So in this case, it's on my desktop. And what this will do is it'll split off all of the different pages within the PDF and create separate images for each one. So what we need to do is say which pages we want. I'm going to say select all for this. I'm going to submit. And then we'll see this little highlight on the left hand side. That just tells us something to do. So I'm going to open this one up, say what the type is, because we don't know what the type is when you do the import, and then we'll hit save. Likewise for the next one. So it was as simple as that. One thing that I didn't actually do there was to put the titles on. So if I was being a bit more thorough, I would have put level 0 ground floor, level 1 first floor. You get the idea. But ultimately we've come to the same outcome just from a PDF rather than the images. So just to recap, if you want to add floor plans to your asbestos survey report, you need to browse to the dashboard, then go to the attachments section, and then you can either upload the PDF if you have one, or you can add images individually. Just make sure you choose the type floor plans, because that will determine how the cover page before them looks. And then also put in the title. I would suggest using a convention along the lines of level 0 hyphen level 1 hyphen, or if you've got multiple levels shown on the same page, you could say levels 1 and 2 or something along those lines. Now we currently don't have a floor plan design tool within Flow, but you can create floor plans in whatever software you want and then import them in the way that I've just shown you.